Hello and welcome to another episode of Squartified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode, we will be continuing with the detailed work on the hubs, most importantly the front hubs, and you've seen me sandblast them quite thoroughly, but I'm not really happy with the surface. There are too many pores, so I want to grind some of them down a bit so that the surface is more smooth, less rust remaining. And also this one, for example, the bracket for the power steering pump, and if you see in this hole there is still a lot of sort of cast marks, so I want to remove those as well, like I've done on the hubs already. So let me show you how the hubs look now. So here we have the hubs as well as the backing plates for the handbrake. But if we focus on the right hand one, the front, these pores, they aren't that important. They are pretty much clean, but it would be nice to sort of smooth them out. There are some other areas which are a bit worse. But some of this is also just dirt, so it will easily be removed once I use brake cleaner. But like previously, I will use these rotating files, and I will also throw in this sanding wheel, whatever life is left on it, and then do a final sandblasting. What we need to do here is basically make these two as ready as they can be for painting, because then I need to put back the hub itself, so that I can determine where the ABS sensor needs to go and so on. Or maybe I don't need to do that now, but we will see. I will start with this and then move forward. So here we have the right hand front spindle hub, and it's starting to look quite nice. A bit of final sandblasting just to rough up the surface and make it more friendly towards paint, and of course remove that wheel bearing or that half of it. The other one is still in need of some grinding, but here is also where we have the ABS sensor, which is complete. It's broken, but it's complete. So I need to figure out the distance between here and the center, and then I know what I have to play with the new ABS sensors. And the mount for the power steering pump is also getting nicer. So a bit of sandblasting and then some paint on this, and it's done. So I forgot to use my pirate hat, so I do have a bit more grinding dust in my hair, so that would be a nice shower. But yeah, so at least it's going in the right direction, and soon the parts will be drawn up in CAD and painted and ready for assembly. That will be nice. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.